Hello, recently we have customer feedback that they forgot the password and I don't know how to proceed with it. So today we make this video for a quick overview. So when you forgot the password, you don't know how to input it. So you can just click forgot password. And then there will come a page of the serial number and the QR code. So you can take this picture, send to us, and we will generate a security code for you. And when you get the security code, please mind the capital or lowercase of the code in the code. So now let me input the security code. Now we got the security code and we log in, and it requires us to input a new password. So we can send the new password, as we can see over here. It says 9 to 32 characters, must include letters, digits, and special characters. So we can just simply set one, for example. And the next, yeah, it says strong. Now we have set the new password. So next time when we log in, it will require us to input the new password. We can see over here. And now we can enter the password. Now this the password is the new one we have set just now. Now you see it's working. After we set the new password after factory default, then you have to input the default password. This is, for example, we set a new password, and now we set maintain restore factory default. After this procedure, you have to input the default password of the system. It's not the password that you set just now. Now we got the system restored and it start up. Now we can see it's a new wizard with the step by step. Now the default password we have to input. For example, 16 channel, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we click login. And then when login, it says the enhanced password required. So now we just input over here. The old password is brand new, so we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the new password, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Now over here you can input your email. Just in case you want to retrieve the new the security code in future, or if you don't need it, you just ignore it. So we click OK. Now we set it the new draw unlock pattern, for example, U1. All this procedure need double confirmation. Yeah, the network, everything, the QR code, this is just like a brand new wizard. Okay, so next time we log in, we must require the new password over here. Let's try it. Now we can input the draw pattern we did just now, or you can input the password we set. Okay, it's done. We just log in.